Hi, welcome to my channel Promising Creations. In this channel, I do upload sewing tutorials and pattern drafting. Those that have been subscribing to my channel, I appreciate you all. And if you're yet to subscribe, do hit the red button and notification bell so that you'll be the first to notify whenever I upload. Please, if there's any request, suggestion or question, do drop it at the comment section below. In today's tutorials, I'm going to teach you how to cut and how to draft and cut a bustier shoulder dart. Let's start. We start by indicating our starting point here. Rule a straight line this way to indicate your starting point. Now, the neck width that I'm going to take is 4 inches. From the starting point here, I'm going to take 4 inches this way. Now the vertical measurement, that's the downward measurement. From the starting point here, the bust point measurement or the apex is 9 inches. This is the 9 inches. The under bust is 12 inches. Then the half length is 15 inches. I'm adding 1 inch for joining allowance. Then you draw a straight line this way. Now, I'm going to draw the bust to the bust span measurement is 7 inches divided into 2 will give us 3.5 inches. Now I'm going to add half inch for joining allowance. In all will give us 4 inches. Now we're going to take our 4 inches this way. These are 4 inches here. These are 4 inches here. And I'm going to draw a straight line this way. Now, the bust measurement is 34. Bust measurement from 30 to 34 to 36 or 38, you use 1.5 inches. That's above 40 inches, you use 2 inches. Here, I'm going to use 1.5 inches. This way, this is the 1.5 inches here. This is the 1.5 inches here. This is the 1.5 inches here. You also draw a straight line. Now, from the underbust measurement, we'll come up with half inch this way. We also draw a straight line against the half inch this way. Now, the neck depth I'm going to use is 6 inches. This is my 6 inches here. Then I connect it from here. And I draw my neckline this way. Now, in all, the shoulder measurement is 14 inches. Divided into 2 will give us 7 inches plus half inch for joining allowance will give us 7.5 inches. Here is our 7.5 inches here. We're taking 4 inches here, remaining 3.5 inches this way. Now, we are going to divide this into 2. You measure whatever you have here, because it's a shoulder, it's a bustier shoulder dart. This, we have 3.5 inches. You strip it this way. This is our half inch here. You connect it. Okay, now, you are going to connect it here to this place, to this dart point at the bust point. You connect it this way. Now, you are going to connect from here to here. You give it a bust curve this way, give it a bust curve this way to meet this point here. Now we are going to take our shoulder dart here. At this right side, we are going to take ½ inch. At this place, we are going to take 1 inch. In all, we are going to, our dart is going to be 1.5 inches. Here, we are taking ½ inch here. This side, we are taking 1 inch. We all connect it to this place. This way. Connect it to this way. You blend here. There will be no sharp edges here. Now, this is our shoulder, the normal shoulder measurement. Here, we took ½ inch, 1 inch, in all 1.5 inch, plus ½ inch each in the both on both sides to join it will be 1 inch. In all is 2.5 inches. You add it up here. These are 2.5 inches here. Then you draw a straight line down. Then the armhole measurement is 16 inches. Divided by 2 will give us 8 inches. From here down, we are taking our 8 inches here. Then we have to take our 1 inch shoulder slant here. Then we connect it to this neckline here. We connect it here this way. Then you go up ½ inch. If you can't get it accurately, you measure ½ inch for joining allowance. Now we are going to take our armhole measurement. Now we are left with 7 inches. Divided by 2 will give us 3.5 inches. You come in ½ inch in order to eliminate that excess curve at the bust area. You connect it this way and use this as your armhole curve. You get it this way. We've gotten our armhole. Now we are going to take our full body measurement. Now the bust measurement is 34 inches. Divided by 4 will give us 8.5 inches. Now 8.5 inches plus 1.5 inches and 1 inch for joining allowance, in all 2.5 inches plus 8.5 inches will give us in all 11 inches, which is here. The normal bust measurement is 8.5 inches. Then the shoulder dart that we took here, all this place, we are going to eliminate this place. We are going to remove all this place. We are going to cut it off. All this area, we are going to cut it off. Then plus that's 1.5 inches plus ½ inch here, ½ inch here for joining allowance. It all will give us 2.5 inches. You add it up here to get your normal bust measurement, and all will give us 8.5 inches plus 2.5 inches, and all will give us 11 inches, which is here. Then 2 inch for joining allowance. Then these are under bust measurements. The under bust measurement is 28 inches. Now we are taking 4 inch here. In all, when you divide it, will give us 7 inches. Then divide it into 4, will give us 7 inches here. The waist measurement is 30 inches. Divided by 4 will give us 7.5 inches. This 4 here. You place your 4 inches this way. You get your 7.5 inches. Then plus 2 inches joining allowance. This way, you connect this way. Then you blend here. Let there be no sharp edges. This way. Now that's all for our bustier. For our shoulder dart bustier. Now you do connect it this way. Let there be no sharp edges. The back side is you can use normal dart method to get your back side. Now for this is the front pattern. Now we're going to cut it. Then when you are cutting this side, be very careful in order not to alter any curve. You follow it accurately so that it will give you that fine bust shape. You cut it because we are eliminating this part. Now cutting this side, you have to consider this, because if you should cut it off, maybe you cut it this way, it will be somehow short. When you reach here, you also cut it this way so that it will align with this side. This is our bustier shoulder dart. In our next video, I'm going to teach you how to pad it, because getting it to this curve and it will align to this center part. This is the center part, this is the side. This is the center front, this is the side front. You cut this on fold, you cut these two. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel and the notification bell so that whenever I upload the exciting teachings like this, you will get it all. Thank you all. God bless you. Bye.